Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. Today our third online lecture of subject Biology, Class 9 Federal Board. Dear student, today our topic of discussion is careers in biology. It is essential that the student of today know the accurate and the modern knowledge of biology that will promote both science and scientific research projects. An accurate and the modern knowledge of biology will promote a comprehension of both science and scientific research projects. Following are the careers that a student of biology can plan to adopt. The first one is medicine and surgery. Dear student, in medicine and surgery, first of all, the medicine deals with the diagnosis and treatment of diseases in the human being, and in surgery, the parts of the body repaired, replaced, or removed, for example, removal of the kidney stone, etc. The student can easily adopt this profession after higher secondary education. Now, the next one is the fisheries. It is the professional study of fish production. The professionals of the fisheries are served for enhancing the quality and quantity of fish production. The next one is the agriculture. Agriculture deals with the food crops and animals which are the source of food, and agriculturists work for the betterment of the crops like wheat, rice, corn, etc. In Pakistan, many universities offers a professional courses on agriculture after higher secondary education. Dear student, the next one is animal husbandry. It is a branch of agriculture concerned with the care and breeding of domestic animals. Dear student, the next one is the horticulture. It deals with the art of gardening. It works for the betterment of existing and new varieties of ornamental plants and fruit plants. The next one is the farming. It deals with the development and maintenance of different types of farms like fruit farms and the poultry farms. In fruit farm, many technologies are introduced or used to enhance the quality and the quantity of different types of fruits, and in the poultry farm, many technologies are used for the production of chicken and eggs on a large scale, which are the better source of proteins. Now the next one is forestry. We know that forest is the backbone of the economy of any country. In this department, the professionals look after natural forests and give advices to the government for planting and growing artificial forests. The next one is the biotechnology. It is the latest profession in biology. In this, we study and work for the production of useful products through microorganisms for the welfare of mankind. For example, the synthesis of insulin on a large scale is possible nowadays by using different technologies of biotechnology. Thank you.